Okay, so what we're going to want to do is take a little wire and hook it from the positive column into one of the rows. This means that this row will get the voltage from the battery. Okay, next we're going to want to take our resistor, a brown, green, red one for 1500 ohms, and we're going to want to stick it in that row that we've supplied with voltage. However, I don't want to stick both of the leads into the row because that will create a shorted circuit. No good. I want to take the last lead and stick it in a different row down here like so. This is what we want to happen. Or I could put it across the partition and stick it in the row on the other side. That's okay, because the rows aren't connected anymore. Okay? Now I'm going to want to take the row where the right side of the resistor is plugged in and take a wire and connect it to where the negative terminal of the battery will go. This will complete my circuit once I attach the battery. Now we're going to take the circuit that we have and break it so that we can add another component to it. I'm going to move the right lead of the resistor to a different row. This makes room for the next component. As you can see, it's no longer attached to the negative terminal of the battery. I've broken the circuit. Now I'm going to take my LED and put it in the right direction because LEDs care about direction. Positive leads the long one. So I'm going to stick it in next to the resistor, and the negative lead of the LED will go to the negative terminal of the battery. We've got our completed circuit.